Everyone keeps asking the same question. Should you buy the Fitbit Charge 6 now, or is it worth waiting for the Charge 7 in 2026? And rightfully so, Charge 6 still holds up, but rumors about Charge 7 hint at improvements that directly address the weaknesses people still complain about. In this video, we'll explore what the Charge 6 delivers today, what the Charge 7 is realistically expected to improve, how they compare spec by spec, and whether waiting makes sense for most users. Let's dive in. The Fitbit Charge 6 may be approaching its third birthday, but it remains a strong fitness tracker. It features a crisp 1.04-inch AMOLED display with vibrant colors and solid outdoor readability, making notifications, stats, and workout metrics easy to digest. The built-in optical heart rate sensor, paired with SpO2 monitoring and skin temperature sensing, delivers continuous health data, while the accelerometer and gyroscope reliably capture movement and workout patterns. One of its standout qualities is battery life. Under mixed usage, daily heart rate tracking, occasional GPS workouts, sleep tracking, and healthy notification volume, the Charge 6 typically sustains around 5 to 7 days of real-world use. This endurance advantage remains a defining point in 2026. Especially compared to most full-featured smartwatches that struggle past 2 days. Fitbit's integration with Google services further enhances relevance. Google Wallet brings contactless payments, Maps offers turn-by-turn guidance, and YouTube music controls let you manage playback from your wrist. The result is a tracker that feels modern and connected without the distractions of a smartwatch. Still, certain limitations persist. The display feels small next to newer bands, GPS accuracy is solid but not elite, and the absence of an altimeter means no elevation tracking. As of 2026, Google has publicly acknowledged new Fitbit wearables are coming, though no official Charge 7 specs have been confirmed. What we know comes from credible reporting and consistent rumor patterns. Charge 7 appears poised for meaningful refinements rather than reinvention. The display is one of the most talked about upgrades. Rumors indicate a larger AMOLED screen, potentially around 1.4 to 1.5 inches, increasing usability for workout stats and notifications without compromising the tracker's slim profile. Improved panel brightness and updated refresh handling would also help visibility under direct sunlight, a frequent criticism of the Charge 6. GPS is another expected area of difference. Charge 6 provides dependable tracking for casual users, but tighter wear for heart rate can interfere with longitude locking. Charge 7 is rumored to improve antenna positioning and signal processing, smoothing this experience without resorting to power-heavy multi-system GPS that would drain battery life. Battery remains a priority. Rather than chasing flashy extras, Charge 7 is believed to focus on optimized power management, possibly extending real-world endurance beyond the Charge 6 benchmark. There's also growing industry expectation that Google will modernize charging, a shift to USB-C, aligning the tracker with broader market standards. Health tracking improvements are expected to be subtle but impactful. Better heart rate stability during high-intensity activities, enhanced sleep stage accuracy, and more consistent HRV-based stress insights. Revolutionary additions like cuffless blood pressure monitoring remain unlikely in a first iteration. When comparing the Charge 6 and the rumored Charge 7 side by side, the first major difference likely emerges in the display. Charge 6's 1.04-inch AMOLED is functional and crisp, but it can feel constrained when presenting maps, graphs, or dense text. Charge 7's rumored 1.4-inch panel promises not only larger viewable area, but better usability under outdoor conditions, making glanceable data more accessible mid-run. In terms of GPS and tracking fidelity, the Charge 6 uses a single-band GPS system that performs respectably, but can exhibit minor inconsistencies in complex environments. Enhanced GPS handling and smarter algorithms in Charge 7 could reduce drift and improve lock time, especially in dense urban or wooded areas, precisely where many trackers struggle. Battery life remains central to the Charge identity. Today's Charge 6 routinely reaches 5 to 7 days in mixed use. The rumored Charge 7 isn't expected to leap up dramatically in raw hours, but smarter power management is likely aimed at keeping that range stable even as display size and software features incrementally expand. For health metrics, both devices will track heart rate, SpO2, sleep stages, and stress levels. But the Charge 7's software and sensor tweaks could yield tighter variance tolerances and fewer outliers in real-world readings. This wouldn't be a wholesale change, but more of a refinement that makes results feel more consistent and reliable. Finally, connectivity and ecosystem integration may see incremental enhancements. Where the Charge 6 already offers Google Wallet, Maps guidance, and basic notifications, Charge 7 may deliver smoother app interactions and deeper context from Google's broader health analytics, especially as the ecosystem matures. If you need a tracker today and your device is older than Charge 5, the Charge 6 still represents excellent value. It delivers essential health data, long battery life, and a smooth, distraction-free experience. It's reliable, refined, and supported with ongoing software improvements. However, if you already own a Charge 6 or Charge 5 and aren't in immediate need of an upgrade, waiting for Charge 7 could be worthwhile. The rumored refinements target exactly the areas where users have asked for improvement: display readability, GPS reliability, battery consistency, and charging convenience. These are the daily use elements that slowly add up. Waiting isn't about chasing innovation for its own sake, it's about making sure the next tracker feels like a real step forward in quality, not just a marginal refresh. Thank you for tuning in. If the Fitbit Charge 7 launches in 2026 with a bigger screen, improved GPS reliability, smarter battery management, and modern charging, would you wait for it? Or is the Charge 6 already enough for you? Drop your honest opinion below, and let's talk about where you see the future of Fitbit trackers going next.